Hello traders and investors. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to set a bracket order on ThinkorSwim. A bracket order is also known as one cancels other, and it's an advanced order type offered on ThinkorSwim. What it allows you to do is to set a target and a stop. Now you can set a stop below your entry level, but if you want to trap your profits, you can set that stop somewhere above your entry level and set your target anywhere you like. Now in order to do this, what you first do is you right click, scroll down to the menu where it says Sell Custom, left click on With Stop, and then you'll see your order entry tools down below. You want to make sure that you select Sell, so you have a sell target order and a stop order for selling. Make sure that the quantity of shares you're selling matches at least your position long, or sell whatever amount you want to sell. In that case, I'm changing it to 40. Next thing you want to do is you go down to this drop-down menu where it says Advanced Order. I'm going to left click on that and select One Cancels Other. Then you want to go back to your chart and find a target. In this case, we'll just say 450. And then find a level that you want to set your stop at. Since I see a gap here, and I see that this gap has already been closed by the price action, I'm fairly confident that it won't quite go that far, but it's still a possibility. So I'll use this $300 level. Now you go to this section here where it says Time in Force. And because this is a longer term trade and this may take a few days to play out, instead of a day trade here, you want to switch this to Good to Cancel. You won't be able to do extended hours or after hours trades when you're using a bracket order. So I'll select Good to Cancel on both of them, then hit Confirm and Send if you want to double check everything that matches up correctly. And there you will get your bracket order. Now, I went ahead and recorded a day trade that I took with just a few shares to demonstrate how the bracket order works, and I'll be playing that for you shortly. And that is how you trap profit with a bracket order on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the notifications bell. I'll be making videos on my personal trade watch lists and sharing my favorite setups. Thanks for watching. And as always, let's find the trade, manage the risk to earn the trade profit.